Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for coming back. As you can already tell from the title, today we are celebrating 100K subscribers. Guys, okay, so first of all, let me just say that YouTube played me. YouTube played me. Today, I wasn't planning to shoot at all. I was just minding my business and I was actually going to get my coffee, and I opened my door and I saw the package. This package right here. I'm not going to show you guys the front because it has my address and everything. But as you can see, it's from YouTube. And guess what? I already know what it is because, guys, I have been waiting for this forever. Like I said, YouTube played me a little bit, and I'm gonna get to that in a minute. But first, let's get to this beautiful package. Okay guys, so I'm going to be unboxing this bad boy. I wanted to open it up and tell you guys about it, but we did this together. And when I say we, I mean you guys, myself, my supportive family, my friends, just all of you guys helped me to get to this point. So I thought I should open it right in front of you guys so we can all see the excitement and, you know, just do it together. So I have my handy dandy scissors here. I have my box, and I'm gonna go ahead and open this, okay? I'm gonna make the first incision. I feel like I'm doing surgery. I'm gonna make the first incision right here. Oh my God. This is very well secured. Okay, there we go. Okay, here we go. I made the first incision. It's open from that side and this side. Okay. This is really fully secured, and it should be, right? Because this is special. Okay, so I have all the sides open. I'm gonna go ahead. Ooh, okay. What is this? Oh, it's protected. It has a foam, like a styrofoam thing to protect it, and then it has a letter from YouTube itself. Okay, so let me try to read this letter. The letter is nice. Look at that. It has the YouTube letter here. You guys know that I am super emotional, and if you don't know that, well, welcome to the family. Okay, it says, you have done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You have had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. We know that numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind the 6-digit milestone. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you created. They were inspired, challenged, or entertained. You achieved this milestone with hard work, perseverance, and probably a healthy sense of humor too. What you've accomplished cannot be taken away from you, and we'd like to recognize you and all your hard work with this Silver Creator Award, a small token of our esteem and respect. We know that you don't do this for awards. You do it because you have a drive to create and share, and because you've found an audience who cares. Believe us when we say that we can't wait to see what you do next. 100 million subscribers may seem a long way off right now, but you're closer than you think. We are rooting for you. So congratulations. Sincerely, Susan. Guys, I almost got through it without crying. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the letter away, and we're gonna get to the real reason why we're here. So this is the box. I'm gonna go ahead and take the plaque out. Oh my God. So this is the plaque. It's in a protective plastic case. I'm gonna slide it right off. Oh my God. It's so shiny, I can even see myself in it. Oh my God. Okay, let me show you guys what it says. So there it is. It says, presented to Mercy Gono, BSNRN, for passing 100,000 subscribers. It's beautiful, y'all. I'm trying not to blind you guys with it because it's super reflective, and it's kind of heavy. It also has hooks in the back where you can put it on the wall, but I think I'll set it in like one of those like plate displays. I think that's where I'll put this. Okay guys, now that we have opened that, I just wanted to give a little speech. First of all, let me just say that YouTube forgot about me. And that's why I said YouTube played me in the beginning, because I hit 100K subscribers sometime in December. The very day I hit 100K subscribers, it was Vlogmas. So I vlogged it. Like, it happened on the actual day, and I shared that with you guys. And I was super emotional because when I started this channel, guys, first of all, this was something that I have always wanted to do, but I was kind of holding myself back because I was embarrassed. I thought people were gonna, make fun of me, because here I am. I went through school. I got my license, as a nurse. I was working. I was living my dreams, but there was also a dream that I had always wanted to someday accomplish or someday fulfill, because I know that I have a message, or I have a few messages that I like to share with people. I have a love for motivating people, empowering people, encouraging people, and also teaching people. So I was like, how can I do that? And people who know me know this. I always find the slightest, quickest, most opportune way, if that's a word, to just encourage people. You can ask me something as simple as, what should I wear for this party? And 10 minutes later, I'm giving you a speech about what you should wear, why you should wear it. So that's just a love that I have to just empower and encourage other people. So this was a burning desire for me. When I did my first YouTube video, I didn't post it for months because I was embarrassed. I was afraid of what people will say. And there was just a whole bunch of things going on. But one day I was like, you know what? People are going to talk regardless. People are going to judge regardless. Even if you're doing the best thing, people are going to find something to say. They're going to find something wrong. So I'm just going to put myself out there. And I just decided to leave my fear behind and just put myself out there. And for a while there, I was getting 1 subscriber a day. Sometimes I'll go a whole week with maybe 2 subscribers, and I kept going. And almost for a year, I didn't get a penny off of YouTube, but I continued to make my content because I wasn't here for the money. I wasn't here for the popularity. I was rewarded by putting this content out, encouraging people, trying to empower people, and I was rewarded by the feedback that I was getting from you guys. A lot of you guys have send me messages telling me, thank you so much for sharing your experiences, Mercy. Because of you, I'm going to nursing school. Because of you, I'm doing this. Because of you, I'm taking better care of my health. Because of you, I'm working out. Because of you, I'm eating better. Because of you, I'm going back to school. Because of you, I have embraced being a mom. Because of you, I'm proud of my accent. Sometimes it's like a therapy section for me, reading you guys' comments and emails. And I just sit there and I'm like, wow, this is me, little old me. I never knew that in a million years I would be able to touch even 100 people, and to talk about 100,000 people. And guys, guess what? We are surpassed 100,000. As of today, I think we're at 223,000 subscribers. Guys, I never even thought I would get to 100,000. And when I got to 100,000, I thought that was the biggest accomplishment. I was so excited. It was like a surprise to me. But less than a month later, I hit another 100,000 subscribers. And I joke when I say YouTube played me because they forgot all about me. I hit 100,000 subscribers. They were like, yeah. And I was like, wait, where's my award? So I had to email YouTube, and I emailed them, and they were great at getting back to me. And long story short, they apologized, and they're like, oh, we'll send your award, and we'll send it in about 3 weeks or so. But it came about a week later. And this, guys, I owe this to each and every one of you guys. And I don't want this to sound really generic, but if you guys, each and every one of you guys, if you didn't hit that subscribe button, I wouldn't be here today, because each and every person who subscribed is counted. So if I have 100,000 subscribers, that's because 100,000 people hit that red subscribe button. So I am greatly humbled, greatly appreciative, and greatly grateful for each and every one of you guys. And you guys have just been showing me an overwhelming amount of support, and I can't ask for anything more than that. I'm thankful for my family as well for being so supportive. And I don't know if you guys know this, but as I always say, I have a full-time job. I'm a mom as well. So having a YouTube channel is a lot of work, but I've been trying my best to put these contents out for you guys as you guys ask for them. And I continue to try my possible best to just be honest and just be so truthful and share my experiences with you guys. And you guys have just grown to love me. Our family has gotten bigger. And what I realized too is that I've never really said what our family's name is. I always say, welcome to the family, but I've never really said what our family's name is. And from what I always say in my videos, and also from reading this letter, I am always about inspiring people. I'm always about empowering people. So I have come up with a name for our family. So from today on, I would like to officially name our family. And our family is called the Empowered Family. I have an Instagram account solely dedicated to empowering and inspiring nurses, student nurses, anybody who works in the healthcare field. A lot of you guys who follow me on there already follow me on that account. We have over 3,000 followers on there, and that is just a platform where I share other people's story and what they've been through. And that is also a platform where I empower and encourage each and every one of you to follow your dreams and live your full potential. If you don't already follow me on there, I'll leave the name here or I'll leave a link down below so you can follow me. So I just wanted to follow that theme with my YouTube channel because that's what I try to do on here. And I've shared a lot of my story here with you guys, but this video is not about that. But a lot of you guys know my story, you know how I started, and sharing that with you guys has been able to help you guys as well. And getting your feedback and comments and messages has also empowered me to open up more and, you know, grow more. And I'll definitely tell you, I'm not the same person I was when I first started my channel. I have learned so much from you guys, just like you guys feel like you've learned from me. And it's just been a great exchange. And for that, I am so grateful. Thank you guys so much. So much. I know I say this in all my videos and I mean it every single time, but this time is super special because the award means a lot, but it means nothing without you guys. I wouldn't be getting this without each and every one of you guys. So I'm so grateful, I'm so humbled, and I'm so blessed that first of all, I was able to get through this whole video without crying. And secondly, just for you guys' support. We are at 200 and something, and someday I'm going to just go ahead and put it out there. I feel like we're going to hit that million, y'all. We can do it. We got to 100,000. We're now over 200,000. I know that we can make it to 1 million. That's nothing for us. I know we can do it. But what I want you guys to do for me is I want you to comment down below when you joined the family. Was it at 1,000 subscribers? Was it at 50 subscribers? Was it at 20,000 subscribers? Was it at 100K? Was it at 200K? Was it at 210K? I just want you guys to comment down below and let me know when you joined the family. And if you have anything else to say, go ahead and comment down below. Honestly, I wish I can hug each and every one of you guys, but this is the only way I know how to reach you guys, through video and just sitting in my bedroom and making videos for you guys. So I'm so grateful, I'm so humbled, and I do not take this for granted at all. I love what I do here, and I most importantly love that you guys love it as well. So thank you guys again so much, Empowered Family. Thank you for your love and support, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. We did it, y'all. We did it. 100K subscribers.